Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the red LED taillights fitting your 09 through 14 F-150 style side. These are perfect for the F-150 owner who likes the OEM styling of their current taillights but wants to upgrade to the brighter, longer lasting LEDs. These taillights feature chrome and red housings with clear lenses that mimic your factory look. They also feature 2 rows of LEDs that are much brighter than your factory bulbs and will outlast them as well. So as far as price goes, these come in at right around $250. They are on the lower end price-wise when compared to other taillights. And for your money, you're getting a nice looking OE style taillight with the brightness of an LED. I'm giving this install 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It can be done in approximately 30 minutes, and these feature direct bolt-up installation with no wiring required. All right, so with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, you will need an impact gun or a ratchet and an 8mm socket. All right, so the first step in our install is once the tailgate is down, we want to remove the 2 bolts that are holding in your taillight. Grab an 8mm socket, and let's get these out. Once the bolts are removed, grab the taillight and pull straight out. Remove both of the connectors. For this center bulb, we will be reusing in our new taillight, so just gently twist to remove it. Try not to touch the bulb. If you're worried about that, you can wear gloves. Now you can transfer that bulb over to the new taillight. Line it up with the tabs and twist it in. Starting with the top connector, line it up. Repeat that with each of the bottom connectors. Line up the tabs at the back of your taillight, and also there should be 1 tab at the front here, and press it into place. Now you can reinstall the 2 8mm bolts. Grab your 8mm socket and tighten these down. All right, so now that we have our new taillight installed on the truck, we can see it side by side with the factory taillight. Now, I will note that this is an OEM style taillight, so it's going to be very similar to the factory one. However, as you can see, there's quite a bit less chrome on our new taillight than the factory. And the other big difference is this one is LED, aside from the reverse bulb, which is reused. So that means it's going to last quite a bit longer and be a lot brighter than your factory taillight. All right, so with that said, let's finish up our install. Now you can repeat that process on the other side. Okay, so that's gonna do it for the review and install of our red LED taillights. Remember, for all things F-150, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.